Hello everyone, we're glad to introduce our video crash course for IBPS PO Clerk Prelim 2018. Before starting the video, I'd like to give a short intro about our video classes. Our video crash course contain 100 plus hours of videos covering complete syllabus of IBPS PO Clerk Prelim syllabus, and also you can view these videos in both the language English as well as Hindi, and also you can learn the concept from our skilled expert at the comfort of your place, and also you can revise as many as time you want. Also, video course include latest pattern question, and at the end of the video class you can practice a question as a mock test. Professional mentor will be available for guiding you on daily basis, and also there is a doubt clearing session so that you can clear your all doubts regarding any concept. For more details, visit ibpsguide.com and link is in the description box. Hello everyone, welcome to IBPS Guide. So in this particular video we will see a puzzle which is based on date of birth and parallel arrangement which is of new pattern type. Both two puzzles are very tricky friends, so just pause the video and try by yourself. This video is important for IBPS PO as well as Clerk Pre 2018. So let's see which is our first puzzle. So this is our first puzzle. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H were born on the same day such that 1st January but in different year 1970, 1972, 76, 81, 87, 95, 98, 2004. Not necessarily in the same order. They were born on either Delhi, Kolkata or Mumbai, such that at least 2 persons but not more than 3% born in each place. Okay, maximum is 2 and minimum is 2. Maximum is 3 and minimum is 2 persons. Take the age as on 1st January 2018. Till this information we can easily draw a diagram something like this. We arrange the ages like eldest one is 48 years of age and the youngest one is 14 years of age. Okay, so how I do this? 1970, 1970 first I arrange like this. Okay, and he's saying that take age as on 1st January 2018. So I am comparing with the 2018. So 2018 minus 1970, that is 48 years of age. Okay, now B was 6 years elder to E, means B was 6 years elder to E, means B and E's age difference is of 6 years. Okay, clear to everyone? In that B is elder one and E is a छोटा भाई, ठीक है, चलो. And was not born in Mumbai. Okay, sorry, A was born in 1981 and was not born in Mumbai. Okay, now see, 1981 direct information, just place A at this position. Then this position is not for Mumbai, so note down Mumbai is not for this position. Only 2 persons were born in Mumbai and one of them had the age which is of prime number age. Okay, not more than 2, but he is saying only 2, but only 2. So how many cities are there? Delhi, okay, Mumbai, okay, and Kolkata. Mumbai mein 2 persons, then definitely in Delhi 3 persons and in Kolkata 3 persons. Now see, Mumbai, one of them had the age which is of prime number. So prime number is this age and this age. This is also a prime number, but it is clearly mentioned now that A is not that 81 one not born in Mumbai. So Mumbai may be at this position or this position. Let's check Mumbai at first this position. Okay, now read further. 3 persons born between H and F, and only one of them was born in Kolkata. Not both, only one of them, either H1 or either F1. And H was born before F. It means suppose F is here, 1, 2, 3 persons are there, H is here. Okay, the eldest person was not born in Kolkata, then this position is not for Kolkata. Not for Kolkata because he is the only one who is eldest. D was born after 1990, means 87, 90. D may be at this position, or at this position. There were 2 persons born between D and C. Now suppose if D is here, the 1, 2, C is here. If D is here, 1, 2, C here, but C is not possible because A's position is fixed. Then this position is not for D. D may be here at this position or at this position. Okay, I will check both the situations. B and D were born in same place. So B and D आपके same place है. The person born in 1987 was born in Delhi. Now see, this person is born in Delhi. But before writing Delhi at this position, we also know that this position is for Mumbai also, na? We check, we see the possibilities that Mumbai can be here or can be here. So now I am confirmed that Mumbai must be at this position and Delhi at this position, not a Delhi at this position, not a Mumbai one. Okay, so this information is up to clear. Now till now no such kind of possibilities occurred till now. He is saying E was not born in Kolkata. So E was not born in Kolkata. Okay, now see, now from which point should I start? Now if I place D at this position, first I will check. Okay, so just place D at this position, 1 2 C at this position. Now again start from this point, that F is here, suppose 1 2 3 H, which is not possible dear friends, because F is already having Delhi city. Then H must be a Kolkata, because either this one or this one born in Kolkata, but at this position Kolkata is not possible, so this position is false for F. Okay, this is already occupied by D. Place F here, 1 2 3, H must be there, not C. Then this position is also false. Place F here, 1 2 3 H, but not possible, so we know that D cannot be at this position. So D cannot be at, this is fixed confirmation C. So I will rub D from this position and D and F from this, because already checked all the possibilities, but confirm is D is not at this position. Now where I have to place D? Just place D at this position, 1 2 C at this position. Up till here everything is clear to everyone. Now from which point should I start? Again start from F may be at this one or maybe at this one. Now again check. F may be here. Suppose if you place F here, 1 2 3 H at this position. Okay, now either F or H born in Kolkata. We don't know which one is born in Kolkata, who is born in Kolkata, but we also know this point, that the age difference between B and E is of 6 years. Are you clear? So where you have to place B? You can't place B at this position, you can't place B at this position, you can't place B at this position. So this information cannot be placed in this current diagram. Are you clear? See, if you place B at this position, then E must be at 42. Then only if you add 42 plus 6, B's age will come, that is 48. You cannot place B at this position, you cannot place B at this position. Then definitely I will say that F is not at this position, H is not at this position. See, now again I will say that F is here, 1 2 3, H must be at this position. Now again B at this position and E must be at this position, G must be at this position. Till information is clear. Now we also know that either F or H born in Kolkata. So F is already born in Mumbai, then only one person is left, that is H, born in Kolkata. Clear? Also Kolkata is not born on first, because eldest person is not born in Kolkata. This position is for Mumbai or Delhi. If you place, suppose if you place Mumbai at this position or Delhi, only two cases are there now. Then if you place Mumbai fixed here, then B and D both are same place, born in same place, then you will place Mumbai here also, because Mumbai is here, Mumbai is here. Then count the number of person born in Mumbai. B, F, D means 3 person, but we clearly know that only 2 person born in Mumbai. Then definitely this person is born in Delhi. If thus B is born in Delhi, then D also born in Delhi. Just note down Delhi. Okay, and Delhi. Also we know that in Kolkata 3 persons were born. Okay? E was not born in Kolkata. So this is information, clearly information. E was not born in Kolkata. And A was not in Mumbai. Now we also know that only 2 persons are possible in Mumbai. If you place Mumbai here, then remaining 2 are in Kolkata. But when you wrote down E on Kolkata, then conflicting this situation that E was not born in Kolkata, then why I am placing Mumbai here? Mumbai cannot be placed at this position. Direct information. Mumbai cannot be placed at this position. It is conflicting this this situation. So Mumbai at this one, Mumbai. Now the remaining 2 are in Kolkata. Kolkata and Kolkata. Done. Your puzzle is done. How much time you will take such kind of puzzle? See, this puzzle is tricky one, I know, but you can easily solve it by reading each and line carefully. So move on karte hain one more new type puzzles. Okay. Now second puzzle, which is very small but tricky one. 9 students A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I are standing in 2 parallel rows in such a way that one student in row 1 stand exactly parallel to the distance between 2 students in row 2. So my target is to first place the 2 students in row 2, means make a diagram for row 2 first. So suppose this person and this person, and distance between them, one person is standing at this position. So this is the one. Okay. Now again, this person and this person, one person is standing because in between one person is standing. Okay. And this is a row 2 because he is saying distance between the 2 students in row 2. So this is your row 2. So again, draw one diagram like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 done. 1 again, 9 done. So 9 person is allotted. This is your row 2 and this is your row 1. Means row behind the row 1 there is a row 2 and all are facing north. Okay. And row 2 is behind row 1. We know this. Okay. Now 2 person stands between G and B. It may be like this or it may be like this. C, he is saying C does not stand parallel to the distance between G and I. Means G is here and I is here. C cannot be in distance between them. C cannot be at this, something like this. I is in row 2. Now this is very important clue that G and I, distance between G and I, it means G and I must be in same row. And also he is saying I is in row 2, means G is also in row 2 at one of the end, means at this position or at this position. For this pointer we will make another diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I may be at this end or I may be at this end because he is saying at one of the end. And further he is saying C and E are stands adjacent to each other. C and E या फिर E and C. Okay. Now only H stands parallel to the distance between G and D. Means G is here, D is here, and H is at this position. Okay. Something like this. Further he is saying E's position is same as B's position from the right end. Okay. A is not in the same row as B. Now see, now we know that I is in row 2, then G also must be in row 2. Now if you place G at this end, then 1, 2 be at this end. Also we know that B's location same as E's location, or you will say like E's position is same as B's position from the right end. So right end is this 1, 2, 3, 4th. B's position is 4th from the right end. 1, 2, 3, 4th. This position is for E. As soon as you note down E here, then C at this position. But we also know that in between G and I, G is here, I is here. We cannot place C here. Na? We know this point. So we definitely know that E is not at this position, C is not at this position, B at not this position, G is not at this position. Then where I have to place G? Yes, exactly. Place G at this position. G is here, 1, 2, B is at this position. Okay. Now he is saying only H is placed between G and D. Only H is placed between G and D distance. Definitely if you place D on here, then only G and D, H must be placed at this position. Now we also know that from the right end B is at corner, then E is at this position. E is here, C is here. Now see, G and I, C is not placing here. In same row, A is not in the same row as B. B is here, then definitely A is not here. A is here, and this position is for which person? F person. So you can easily make a diagram. Done. Now if you want to confirm your diagram, just check this case also. G cannot be placed here because in G and I, C must be somewhere here, है so G cannot be at this position, G must be at this position. 1 2 be at this position. Now count the number of persons from the right hand side. First, second, third, fourth, at fifth position B is here from the right hand. Now in this diagram, in this B's position, not E's position. E's position is same as B's position from the right hand. So now 1 2 3 4, fifth position is not available here. Then this case is false. This is your right diagram. Very easy question, na? So if you like these two puzzles, do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, friends. And for the quality more, just visit ibpsguide.com. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.